How to save on electricity bill when doing laundry. Laundry is something that most of us have to do either once a day, or at least once a week. Washers and dryers are large appliances that can use a lot of energy, especially in large households. What many people don't know is that it is easy to waste energy when using a washer or dryer, causing money to add to your utility bill without you realizing it. Let's get into some tips and tricks to help you save on energy while doing laundry. 1. Wash full loads of laundry. We know the best time to wash clothes, but what about the best way to wash clothes to save money? It makes sense that the less you use your washer and dryer, that the less energy you use overall. That is true when it comes to laundry. Using your washer's built-in settings and making sure you have a full load that isn't overly full will save you when running your machines. Be aware that running load sizes that are too large will eventually damage your washer and dryer. 2. Make sure the lint trap is clean. As we mentioned, an efficient appliance is the key to saving you money on your electric bill. The best way to keep your appliances working top-notch is to clean them regularly. That is most important for your dryer because a dirty lint trap can lead to a dangerous fire. Cleaning the lint out of the trap will allow the air in your dryer to circulate more efficiently. That means your dryer will work faster, which will use less electricity. Couple that with drying during off-peak times can help save you money and be more energy efficient. 3. Air dry clothing. Even if you aren't able to do the best time to do laundry to save energy, you can always make up that energy loss with air drying clothing. If your appliance isn't running, then it isn't using energy and you aren't paying for it. Next time you do laundry, choose to air dry even half of your clothing. You will eventually see a difference in your yearly utility expenses. 4. Use a dry sensor mode. Newer dryers have many different modes to help users save time and energy on their laundry loads. One of the best drying tools you can use is the moisture sensor, or the dry sensor. This sensor can automatically detect when your clothing is dry and shuts off the machine when the cycle is complete. This can save a lot of money if you're the type of person to use timed dryer cycles. You could be wasting money. 5. Choose a front-loading washer. They cost a bit more, but a front loader uses only 40% of the energy that a top-loading model does. 6. Close the laundry area door. In the summer, you don't need your electric dryer heating the house and causing the air conditioning to run more. 7. Use dryer balls. Dryer balls cut down the dry time of your load. You can also throw in a dry towel to shorten the drying time as well. We hope you found this video helpful. If you are looking for ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all of the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts.